React JS of if anyone start the if you want anyone starting the React, you must have the some knowledge on the JavaScript. You must have some knowledge on the JavaScript. Okay, రియాక్ట్ చేసి నేర్చుకునే ముందు మీకు జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ లో కొంత నాలెడ్జ్ ఉండాలి. మెయిన్ గా ES6 ఫీచర్స్ గురించి కొంత ఐడియా ఉండాలి. ఓకే, యూ మస్ట్ హ్యావ్ సమ్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆన్ ద జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ అండ్ ES6 ఫీచర్స్. ఓకే, సో అందుకనే రియాక్ట్ సో దట్స్ వై బిఫోర్ లెర్నింగ్ ద రియాక్ట్ JS you must learn some JavaScript basics and then you come to React JS. Okay, so before starting this React JS classes, now in the first class I will start the ES6 features. It is related to JavaScript. ఓకే, రియాక్ట్ చేసి అంటే ఏమిటి, అలా రియాక్ట్ చేసి క్లాస్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు మీకు ES6 ఫీచర్స్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాం. ఎందుకంటే ES6 ఫీచర్స్ని మనం చాలా రియాక్ట్ చేసి చాలా వాడతాం. అది కాక మనకి ఈ ES6 ఫీచర్స్ లో దాదాపు ఒక 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ కంపల్సరీ ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ అడుగుతారు. రెండు క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ లేదా 3 క్వశ్చన్స్ కానీ ఖచ్చితంగా ఈ ES6 ఫీచర్స్ గురించి అడుగుతారు, లేదా ES6 ఫీచర్స్ ఏంటో చెప్పమంటారు. ఓకే, సో అందుకనే నేను రియాక్ట్ స్టార్ట్ చేసే ముందు ES6 ఫీచర్స్ గురించి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. ఈ రోజు క్లాస్ ఈ రోజు ఒక 2 ఇయర్స్ ES6 ఫీచర్స్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి నెక్స్ట్ నేను రియాక్ట్ నుంచి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తాను. వాట్ ఈస్ ద రియాక్ట్, వై రియాక్ట్ చేసి ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేస్తాయని నెక్స్ట్ క్లాస్లో చెప్తాను. సో ఈ క్లాస్ వచ్చేసరికి ఓన్లీ ఫర్ ద ES6 futures. Okay, so ES6 futures అంటే ఏంటి? సో బిఫోర్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద ES6, వాట్ ఈస్ మీకు ES6 అంటే ఏంటి? ES అంటే ఏంటంటే ES అంటే ECMAScript అంటారు. ఓకే, ES6 మీన్స్ ECMAScript అంటారు. ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఏ ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్. అంటే ఇది జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ లాగా ప్రోగ్రామింగ్ లాంగ్వేజ్ కాదు. ECMAScript tells standards for JavaScript. ఓకే, సో ఎక్కువ ES6 అనేది జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ ఎలా రాయాలి, ఓకే, జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ ఎలా రాయాలి అండ్ జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ స్టాండర్డ్స్ అని చెప్తే. సో ఈ ECMAScript tells standards for the JavaScript. ఓకే, జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ గురించి మీకు స్టాండర్డ్స్ చెప్తారు. అంటే జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ ఎలా రాయాలి, వాట్ ఆర్ ద స్టాండర్డ్స్ ఫర్ జావాస్క్రిప్ట్. సో జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ ఎలా రాయాలి అనేది స్టాండర్డ్స్ చెప్తానికి ECMAScript అనే ఒక కంపెనీ ECMAScript చెప్పింది అనమాట. సో ECMAScript లో కొన్ని రూల్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ రూల్స్ వేసుకొని ఈ జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ లో రాయాలి చెప్పి. సో ECMAScript లో మేము జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ లో ఇలాంటి ఫీచర్స్ ఫేస్ అదే ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏదైనా యాంగిల్ కానీ రియాక్ట్ కానీ లేదా ఏదైనా ఫ్రేమ్వర్క్ తీసుకుంటే మనకి ఏముంటాయి. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ మీరు మొబైల్ యాప్స్ మీకు ఏంటి వర్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి, వర్షన్ 1 వర్షన్ 2 అనేది. అలాగే జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ సంబంధించిన వర్షన్స్ ఉంటాయి. ఆ వర్షన్స్ జావాస్క్రిప్ట్ ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ ఉంది ECMAScript వాళ్ళు. సో వాళ్ళు మొన్నటి వరకు ES5 అంటే 5th వర్షన్ వరకు ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ చేశారు. ఓకే, ES5 వరకు. ఇప్పుడు ఏమైంది, వర్షన్కి తేడా ఏమైంది, ఫస్ట్ వర్షన్లో కొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ ఉంటాయి, సెకండ్ వర్షన్లో కొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు, థర్డ్ వర్షన్లో ఇంకొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ యాడ్ చేస్తారు. అంటే వర్షన్కి కొన్ని ఫీచర్స్ ఎక్స్ట్రా యాడ్ చేస్తూ ఉంటారు. ఓకే, లేటెస్ట్గా మన జావాస్క్రిప్ట్లో ES6 నుండి ES6కి మార్చారు. ES5 ఉంది, అంటే ఫిఫ్త్ వర్షన్ ఉంది, 6th వర్షన్ మార్చారు. సో రీసెంట్లీ దే మూవ్డ్ ఫ్రమ్ ECMAScript version 5 to ECMAScript version 6. So in the ES6 they introduced new features in the JavaScript. So what are those new features in the JavaScript? Before telling the new features in the JavaScript in the ES6, before I explain the ES6 features, I will tell one thing. Whatever we write in ES6 new features are not directly understood by the browsers. Okay, browsers, who runs the JavaScript? Who runs the JavaScript? Who runs the JavaScript? Answer. Browsers run. So browsers runs the JavaScript, right? Browsers JavaScript run చేస్తాయి. But if you write the new features new features with the ES6 features in the JavaScript, those are not directly understood by the browsers. సో ఓల్డ్ బ్రౌజర్స్ అనేవి ES5 ఫీచర్స్ వరకే మనకి పనిచేస్తాయి, ES6 పనిచేయం. అదేంటి మీకు డౌట్ రావచ్చు. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ కొన్ని ఫోన్స్ ఉంటాయి, ఈ ఫోన్స్ ఈ ఫీచర్స్ వరకే మనకి పనికి వస్తాయి, కొత్త ఫీచర్స్ మనకు పనిచేయదు, అంతేనా? సో అలాగే ES5 ఫీచర్స్ అనేవి వరకే మన బ్రౌజర్ రన్ చేసేది. కానీ EX6 లో రాసిన జావా స్క్రిప్ట్ కోడ్ బ్రౌజర్ రన్ చేయదు. సో వాట్ ఎవర్ యూ రైట్ ఇన్ ES6, the browser cannot run directly. Browsers can only understand the ES5 JavaScript, not the ES6. Okay, the browser only understand by the ES5 JavaScript, but not the ES6. But Angular or React or any framework, any library, TypeScript, anything, we are writing in the ES6 only. We are writing in the ES6 only. Then you need to, you have one. Then how browser runs the React JS, browser runs the JavaScript, browser runs the TypeScript. So what we will do is, after writing our ES6 code, we need to convert into ES5. For that one, we need the Babel translator. Babel, the compiler is like a compiler. It's like a translator. So what is the Babel? What is Babel translatability? Is translate the ES6 to EX5. Okay. Whatever you write in the ES6, that code is translated into the ES5 and gives to the browser. So when we run the when we write the JavaScript, React JS or Angular, we are writing the ES6. So once we run the Angular JS or React JS, so Babel translate from EX6 to ES5 and gives to the browser. Okay, Babel and translate ఉంది. Babel translator ఏం చేసిందంటే, దిస్ ఇస్ translates EX6 to EFX మార్చి బ్రౌజర్కి ఇచ్చేసింది. ఓకే, సో మీకు క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది కదా. ES6 ES5 అంటే ఏంటి, ES6 అనేది క్లియర్గా అర్థమైంది. డౌట్స్ ఉందా? ఎనీ డౌట్స్?
No.
హలో,
It's clear.
It's clear. No, come to the point. What are the ES6 features? What are new ES6 features? So they are interested more than 10 features. But now I will explain some of the features what we rarely use. Okay, what we are oftenly use, not the rarely. I mean, I will explain the what are the main ES6 features introduced. Okay, so they introduce the let constant. Okay, they introduce the arrow function. They introduce the spread operator. Okay, they introduce the rest operator. They introduce the array and object destruction. Okay, so many things, and also there are some generate some others also there, but the main things are these things: let constant, array function. Okay, and this like multi-line strings and the template strings. Okay, so this type of they are introduced in the ES6. These are the main types, main ES6 features. Apart from this, there are other new ES6 features also. Okay, I will explain them later. Okay, first I will explain these ES6 features one by one. Okay, first one. So just you must everyone clearly understand this class. If you any have doubts, you can ping me individually. I will explain. అందరూ ఈ క్లాస్ ES6 features class ని వినండి. ఎందుకంటే why? Because in all interviews, in all recent interviews, there must be at least 1 or 2 questions in the ES features topic. Okay, there must be 1 or 2 questions in ES features. So everyone must understand this ES features class. Okay, first one. So they introduce the let and constant, right? Let and constant. So what is the let? What is the, everyone know what is the variable in JavaScript, right? What is the variable in JavaScript? Anybody can answer? Store the data.
Where?
What is the variable in Java? Anybody can answer?
Where?
Huh?
Where?
What is the
Constant where?
why? What is the variable? My question is, what is the variable?
Storage location.
Variable is the
Storage
data storage location.
Yeah.
So we use the where keyword to declare the variable. For example, where is equal to 10. That means we creating a variable with the name x, and we store the value 10 in that variable. So for a variable declaration, you use the var keyword in JavaScript. In JavaScript, generally up to ES5, we use var keyword to declare the variable in JavaScript. Okay. So anyone clear about the var? Now
Yeah, okay.
they introduce the let and constant. Okay, they introduce the let the constant. Okay, what is the let and what is the const? Let also same thing used for variable declaration. Okay, let x equal to, for example, let y is equal to 10. This is also same like as var. Let is also used for variable declaration, stores the value. The same as the var. But what is the difference between the var and let? Okay, what is the difference between the var and what is the difference between the var and let? So, what is the so they will ask one question. What is the difference between the var and let? I will explain. So, for example, everyone know block. What is the block? Block of statements. Okay, block means a set of statements is a set of statements, right? Everyone know block. Block means we define the blocks like curly brackets. So here it is a block. In this block, we write some statements. For example, where x equal to 10. Okay. I print the console log of x. Okay. So what is output? The output is 10, obviously. Right? Yes. Okay, now clear the way. Now I using the same variable x outside the block. Console log of x. So what is output now? Is the x value is 10 or anything?
Undefined, I think.
Anything
Not,
else?
and nothing.
Nothing.
So what is
It's
the output? What is the output in the seventh line? What is the output in seventh line?
10.
10.
10.
What is the output in the ninth line?
Undefined.
Undefined.
Nothing.
Something.
Undefined. Okay, let me check. Okay. Both are 10. So we define a variable with the var keyword. That variable we can use outside the block. This is the block. This is the block. We can use outside the block. So the value is global. The variable value is global. Global means
No.
we can use outside the block also. But if the same instead of the var, I use the let here. Okay. Now let's see the answer. What is the answer? Error. X is not defined. So that means if we declare the variable inside the block, if we declare the variable inside the block using the var, we can use that variable outside the block also. Okay. But if we declare the variable inside the block with the let keyword, we cannot use that variable outside the block. That means let is the local scope, var is the global scope. Okay. So if you declare the variable with the var inside the variable, inside the block, we can use outside the block also. So both give the 10s. Both give the 10 here. If we use the let inside the block, we cannot use that variable outside the block. That means let is local. Okay, let is the local. That is the main difference between the let and var. So are you clear? The difference between the let and var? Let is the local scope. We cannot use outside the block. Where is the global scope? We can use outside the block. So everyone clear?
That's clear.
Yes.
Okay, anyone doubts?
No.
No.
No, it's clear.
Everyone clear? Please answer. So everything clear, right? Okay. If any doubt, ping me. Okay. Now, what is the constant? What is the coming to the constant? Constant means if we declare a variable with the constant, we cannot change that value. For example, I declare a variable var x. I can change the value. If x is equal to 5 means 10 in place of 10 remove 10 replace with the 5. So we can change the value of variable x. If you use the let also we can change the let also we can change the value of variable. Okay, we can change the value of variable. But if we declare the variable with the constant, we cannot change the value. So it gives the error. See, it gives the error here. See the error. So that what is the error? Assignment to constant variable is not changed. That means once we declare the variable with the constant and if we give one value, we cannot change that value. Okay, we cannot change that value. And one more thing, if you declare the variable with the x, you must be give some value. If you not give, it gives the error. If you declare the variable with the x, you must be initialize that value with some value. That value we cannot change throughout the program. Also, okay, that value we cannot change throughout the program. What we want to control, Kema?
Console
Control x you want?
uh,
Okay, let's see. For example, where x equal to 10, okay? X is equal to 5, okay? If control log of x, what is output?
5. 5.
Okay. If I
5.
use the let, then
5.
5.
5.
Narrow let, we can change the value. But if you use the control, it's constant, it gives the error. Because once we assign a variable with the constant, we cannot change the value. Okay? Only first time only we can give the value. That value only we can use. We cannot change that value if we give the constant. So anyone clear about the let var constant, right?
Yeah. Yes.
Or clear by you not Hema? Okay. So this is the main difference between the let, var, and constant. So so they will ask, they will confuse. What they will do is they will confuse. If you give they will ask the question like, what is the difference between the let, var, and constant? You can tell. So if you declare the variable var, we can use the outside the block also. Var is the global scope. If you declare the variable with the let, we cannot use outside the block. Where let is the local scope. If you declare the variable with the constant, we cannot change throughout the program. You tell this like this, but they will confuse you. Interview person will confuse you, and they will ask give some scenarios. Tell me what is the output. You must be confident. Okay. Here I will give one more example. Okay. Yeah. Now you people answer. What is output? 10. What is output? Anyone give?
Error.
What is output?
Error.
Yeah, why error? Why error?
constant way.
So we cannot change the constant value. Okay, clear.
We cannot
Once we
change
define
constant
we
value.
given a value to a constant, we cannot change it. That's fine. Okay. What is output?
1345.
1, 3.
45.
Okay. What is output?
1345.
1345.
Okay. Good. Now tell me. What is output?
134.
1, 3.
4.
Error, I think.
1345.
Error.
Error or 1, 3, 4, 5?
1345.
Why error?
Error.
Why 1, 3, 4, 5? Someone tells him 1, 3, 4, 5. Someone telling error. Why?
Error because we are changing the value of x.
Okay.
And constant, once it is initialized, then we can't change the value.
Okay.
It should be.
Somebody telling 1, 3, 4, 5. Why?
We are not
Here,
we are assigning the value, not change the value.
here.
Instant using assigning the value, right?
We are
Not
assigning the
change the
value.
value.
We are assigning the value. So here, what is the thing is? So there are two words are there. One is replacing. One is altering. Replacing means is remove the completely existing value. Altering means is add some values with the existing value. Okay, it's adding some value. It's not replacing. Okay, so in case of string numbers, what are the these data types are called primitive data types. I'll tell you why. It holds only value, only one value, not multiple value, right? For example, x is equal to 2. If we give the x is equal to 5, it's remove the 2 and add the 5. Remove is replacing. It is a replacing. Altering means the array 1, 3, 4 is there. We are adding the 5. Here 1, 3, 4 is there. We are not removing the 1, 3, 4. Okay, we are just along with 1, 3, 4. We are adding the number 5. So we are altering. That's why constant allowing. That's why the output is 1, 3, 4, 5.
1345.
So in the case of if x is equal to, that means it's changing, completely changing. It's completely altering, completely removing, replacing. That's why in for the primitive
We'll
data
get
types, for the string, number, boolean, for those data types, we cannot change the value for the constant. But for the array and object, we can alter the value for the constant. Are you clear?
clear.
Array and for objects, we can alter the value. But for the number, boolean, undefined strings, we cannot change the value for the constant. Okay? Are you
Okay.
clear?
Okay.
Yes, clear.
Okay. So actually today class I'll start very late, right? So I will this is the important question. What is the difference between let, where, and constant? Okay. Remaining ES6 features I will explain tomorrow. Till now, any doubts are there?
No.
Okay. I will give some examples. Let give me the answers. What is the output?
11 error. 11
So we are here we try to change the primitive data types is the constant. Indicate all just a minute. So we can change the value, right? So now tell me what is the output? 5.
5.
Okay. I'm printing the 3 times conjure. Number 6th line, number 10th line, number 30th line. 10, 5, 10. Anybody?
10, 5, 10.
10, 5, yeah. All of them 10, 5, 10. Anybody new answer? All of them 10 by 10? Okay,
10,
let's-
5,
10, 5?
5.
Okay, let's see. So this type of interview will confuse. Okay, let's see. 10, 5, 10. Okay, now tell me what is the answer. 10, 5, 10. 10, 5, 10. Anybody? 5, 5.
Same.
10, 5,
10,
10.
5,
10, 5, 5.
10. And 5, 10.
10,
Well,
5.
we have 6 members only.
10,
Everyone
5, 10.
answer.
And 5, 10.
10, 5, 10 or 10, 5, 10? 10, 5, 5.
Yes.
5, 5.
10, 5, 10.
Okay, let's see the
10,
output.
5, 5.
Okay, what is lucky? What you asked?
And 5, 10.
Anjane? Anjaneyulu.
10, 5, 5.
Gaurav?
10, 5, 10.
Hema?
10, 5, 5.
Narendra?
10 only, I think.
Okay, let's see. 10, 5, 5. So here, initially, first we define a 10. We replace the value 10. We can use the where global variable inside the block, also outside the block also. So here we are altering the value. So outside the block also fine. But if we use let here, we are not altering the global outer global. It's creating new variable, new scope, new reference, not this reference. Okay, local. It's only locally. It's not. This x is not the outside x. This x is different here. Okay, but if you not give let here, this x is also same as the outside the x. Like global. Like global. Okay, you are clear, right? Right? Clear. Okay.
Clear.
Okay. Now, so this is the we need to understand let constant. Okay. So this is for today class. Clear? Anyone doubts on it? Hello?
No.
No.
Okay. Now I have the employee output. Okay. 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 Not this one. I will give the example. What is the output? Anyone give?
Less than or equal to 5.
Condition 2.
0.
Is it I equal to 10 or 1?
What is the output here? Can anyone? What is line number 6 output here? First of all, everyone tell what is the line number line number 6 output?
Nothing.
Anyway, first everyone tell what is Lucky, what is our line number 6 output?
10.
Line number 6. Line number 6 output. Lucky.
10.
Anjaneyulu.
Undefined.
Hema.
Undefined.
Narendra.
It's undefined error.
Okay. Now line number 9.
0.
0.
Condition wrong.
Undefined.
What is the Lucky new?
Undefined.
Anjaneyulu.
Undefined, Anna.
The line number 9.
Oh, sorry. 10.
The line number 9, 10. Okay.
10.
Hema.
10.
What is the output? What is Narendra? You answer.
Is 10.
Okay. What is the answer in line number output of line number 12? Lucky. Line number 12. Answer please.
Undefined.
Okay, Anjaneyulu, you.
Undefined.
Hemalu, you.
Undefined.
Okay, Narendra, you.
Condition wrong.
Undefined.
Okay. So all of them people don't know the JavaScript. Let's see the output.
లైన్ నెంబర్ 9 వచ్చేసరికి ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది.
First is the undefined. Okay. Line number error ఎందుకు వచ్చింది ఇక్కడ?
Just print I value. I value print.
అవ్వాలి ప్రింట్ అవ్వాలి కదా. సో ఫస్ట్ ఏం వచ్చింది? లైన్ నెంబర్ 6 ఏం వచ్చింది?
Undefined.
Undefined.
లైన్ నెంబర్ 9